In this video tutorial, we will apply the clear fix. We need to clear the floats on both of these elements so that the parent container, which is our main div, surrounds them instead of being cut off here like it currently is. And in order to do that, we're going to apply what's known as a CSS Clearfix hack. There's several different methods of doing this. You can do your own one manually. I'll just quickly Google for one. So I'm just going to write Clearfix hack. And there's quite a few different Clearfix hacks that you can pick one. I'm just going to click on this one from CSS Tricks. The one from Nicholas Gallagher there is quite an interesting one as well. But we'll just copy and paste this code right here. So we'll just get this Clearfix. We can copy all this and come over to our style sheet. And I'm going to paste the Clearfix right after the CSS reset. So I'm going to do a little comment here to introduce the Clearfix hack, and I'll just paste in that little code. Now you'll notice this Clearfix just has simply the class of .clearfix. So all these .clearfixes, there's quite a bit of bizarre CSS in here. You really don't need to worry about what any of this does. A lot of it's just little random things for edge cases in Internet Explorer and older browsers and whatnot to make sure that the elements will clear. So once I've applied this little CSS, if I want an element to clear, all I need to do is add this class of Clearfix. So if we jump back to our HTML, let's look at our code again. Remember, we have our content div, we have our aside div, and those are all inside of main. So the element that needs to clear is this main div. So I can just come in here and say class equals Clearfix, because I want that to surround, all these things should surround its children. And come back in here and let's close that down and refresh. And you can see after applying that, in fact, the main div does go all the way around the sidebar. And then that way, if my sidebar has a lot more content, I'll just do a whole bunch of break tags and just kind of copy and paste this really quick to illustrate this. Save and refresh. If this keeps growing, you can see the outer div still surrounds it all the way. So whichever div is longer, it really doesn't matter which div is longer. If I copy and paste this up into here a whole bunch of times, it'll just continue to grow. You can see the site contains the children. So you can see right here that introduced another thing we need to fix, and that is that this white background color should extend all the way back in here whenever there's not content there. So that's easily done on our main div. So we'll just come back to our CSS and find the rule for our main, and it looks like it's right here, and we're going to set the background color to white and save and refresh that, and now that's white. And now we kind of have our layout. You can see we've got our left column over here, our right column over here. Those are both floated. We have this 10 pixels here, 10 pixels here, 20 pixels in the middle, so everything's nice and aligned well according to our grid. And now we're ready to start fleshing out the content and sidebar sections.